money making mindsets. So today I made this water-based chocolate cake and I sold it for 2,000 naira. Let me show you how I made it. I started with half cup of hot water, very hot boiled water. To that I added half tablespoon of white vinegar, 20 grams of cocoa powder. Okay, after adding the cocoa powder, I went in with my mixed spice. I told you guys, if you are adding mixed spice in your stuff, that thing is going to be a bomb. I'm telling you, the taste is going to be out of this world. Next, I added about half teaspoon of liquid browning, half teaspoon of my combo flavor, half teaspoon of chocolate flavor, then half tablespoon of milk powder. So after adding that, I went ahead and added margarine, 30 grams, and combined it. Now, after combining it a little just like that, I went in with 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 80 grams of sugar, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Next, I added extra 2 tablespoons of hot water because I discovered that the one I added earlier was not enough, and then I whisked it together. After that, I added 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and half tablespoon of baking powder. Then I combine it thoroughly because I don't want the baking powder or the baking soda to go and pack on one place and give my cake a bitter taste. So lastly, I added extra 1 tablespoon of hot water, and then I had something like this as you see in this video. And once I was done, I had to cover it for like 30 minutes. After that time, I came back to it, got my 6 inches pan, round pan, grease it and line it with my foil. You can also line it with baking paper. Then I scooped this inside. Then after that, I baked in my preheated oven at 150 degrees until my cake was completely baked, as you can see. Okay, so I had to allow it to cool down completely so that it doesn't scatter. So this is the small one in the cupcake. You see how fluffy it came out and everything. I think this color was because of the type of cocoa powder I use. You understand? So most of this cocoa powder, you see where the real color of this thing came out. Maybe my camera didn't do justice at the initial time. And this is what I got. You can see the inside of it, how it is. So, and trust me, the taste of this chocolate cake was something mind-blowing. See you guys in my next one. This is how I packaged it and sold it.